Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals and glitches that are going on at Dollar General this week. Plus, we have a 3-day sale. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it's very important to scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons are still attaching, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. Alright guys, so first up we have our drink deals. We have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs. They're on sale this week, 4 for $10, and that makes those $2.50 each. Next up we have Dr. Pepper Canada Dry, Sunkissed, A&W 7-Up, and RC Cola 12-packs. They're on sale, 3 for $11. And then we have a really good sale on the Dr. Pepper Canada Dry A&W or 7-Up 2 liters. They're on sale, 3 for $3, which makes those $1 each. And then we also have Coca-Cola or Sprite 6-packs. They're on sale, 3 for $9. Next up, we have some Mott's products that are on sale, 2 for $4. So that does include the 64-ounce juice, the apple juice 6-packs, or the applesauce 6-packs. We do have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying at $3.50 for 2 or $1.75 each. And then you may still have the 1 off 2 for the Mott's products. If you still have that digital coupon, that'll leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. And then next up we have the V8 Splash or V8 Smoothies. They're on sale, 2 for $3, which makes those $1.50 each. We also still have the instant savings. When you spend $10, you'll instantly save 2 at the register. And then we also still have that digital coupon for spend $10 and save $2, and that does include the V8 products. And then we also have the Prego pasta sauce. They are on sale this week, 2 for $3, and the Prego pasta sauce also falls underneath that instant savings for spend 10 and instantly save 2 at the register. Plus, we have that digital coupon for spend 10 and save 2 as well. Now next up we have the General Mills cereals. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6, and we have some digital coupons to go along with it. So if you have the 75-cent off 1 and then the 1 off 2 digital coupon, that'll leave you paying $4.25 for 3 boxes, making those $1.41 each. And then don't forget we do have the DG rewards for cereal, so you'll spend $15 and you'll earn $3 on your next trip. Now here's the deal that I told you guys about last week, but the price has dropped. So the Wonderful Pistachios No Shells are on sale this week for $3.75. We have a 1 off 1 insert coupon from the 523 Smart Source, so that'll leave you paying $2.75. Now we also have that DG rewards for the Wonderful Pistachios product, so you'll spend $10 and earn $2.50 off on your next trip. So I have a breakdown for you. So if you wanted to complete that DG rewards, you're going to pick up 3 at $11.25 this week. Use 3 of those 1 off 1 insert coupons from the 523 Smart Source. You'll pay $8.25 out of pocket. Then within 24 hours, Dollar General will give you a DG store coupon for $2.50 towards your next purchase of Wonderful Pistachios. So you're going to go back in the store, pick up one for $3.75, use the 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon from the 523 Smart Source, and also that $2.50 DG store coupon. Then you're going to pay 25 cents out of pocket for that last bag. That's going to make your final price $8.50 for all 4 bags, making those $2.12 each. Next up, we have the 23-ounce bags of Malto Meal cereals. They are priced at $3.85. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.85. And then we also have the Cheetos on sale this week, 2 for $4. So that makes those $2 each, but it gets a little bit better. On the Fetch Rewards app, we have 500 points back on Frito-Lay snacks, which is the equivalent of 50 cents. So that'll make your final price $3.50 for 2. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is on the screen here. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which will make this deal even better. Now next up we have an Ibotta deal. So we have the Triscuit Crackers 6-ounce boxes. Those are priced at $2 each. If you pick up 2 of those, use the 1 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3 for 2. Then on Ibotta, we have 50 cents back for each one that you purchased. So you're going to pay $3 for 2, submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back. That'll make your final price $2 for 2 boxes, making those $1 each. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, my referral code is also on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. They do have a $20 welcome bonus, and if you use my referral code, you will become a part of my team, and we can start earning monthly rebates together. So now we're going to move into some household deals. So we have the Gain products. There are a variety to choose from that are priced at $3.95. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1.95. And we still have that 5 off 30 and the P&G spend deal going on. So that should make for some really good deals. Now, just as a heads up, this 2 off 1 Gain coupon is also working on the 50 fluid ounce liquid laundry detergent. So those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.95. And we also have the Gain powdered laundry detergent, 34 ounces, 30 loads. These are priced at $4.85. This $2 coupon is also working with that, and that will leave you paying $2.85. And next up, we have a really good deal on the Gain dish liquid. So these are on sale, 3 for $6. They're normally $2 each. And we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $4 for 3 bottles. Next up, we have the Febreze wax melts or the small spaces. Pick 2 of those up for $6. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $3 for 2. And if you pick up the Gain scented ones, you can throw that in with a Gain deal. And next up, we have another pretty good deal on the Airwick Scented Oil Warmer Starter Kits. So these are normally $3.35 each. They're on sale this week, 2 for $6.50. We have a $3.50 off 2 digital coupons. So that'll leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. And next up, we have the all 4-in-1 Mighty Packs 19 count. They're on sale this week for $4. We have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. So that'll leave you paying $2.50. Now, we also received a $1.25 off one for the all blue laundry detergent. So if you clipped that one, that lower value coupon will probably come off first for the all 4-in-1 Mighty Packs. So that'll leave you paying $2.75. Next up, we have the all free and clear liquid laundry detergent, 24 loads. These are priced at $4. We have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon. So that'll leave you paying, again, $2.75. So next up, we received a 50-cent off one for the Energizer batteries. So if you want to pick up the 4-pack of AA or AAAs, these are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4. If you want a better value deal, you can pick up the 8-pack of AA or AAA batteries. These are priced at $7.75. Use that 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. That'll leave you paying $7.25. And I also wanted to mention that there is a save $4 when you buy 3 packs of the Energizer Max AA or AAA 8-pack batteries. Now, if you do need to pick up batteries this week, here's probably the best deal that you're going to get. We have the AA or AAA 16 packs. These are priced at $12.75. We received a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $9.75. And here we have a pretty good deal on the Dixie Everyday Plates. They're on sale this week, 3 for $6, so that makes those $2 each. And also this week we have some medicines that are on sale. So we have the DG Health or Rexall Allergy Relief Tablets. So these are normally $4 to $4.50, but they're on sale this week for $3.50. And then we also have the DG Health Ibuprofen Pain Relief Capsules. So these are normally $4.75 to $5, but they're on sale this week for $4.50. Next up, we have the 25 count Dulcolax tablets. So these are normally $5.75. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.75. Alright, so now we're going to move into the personal care items. So we received this really high value 5 off 1 for the Bic Us razors. So you can either pick up the starter kit or the refill cartridges. They're both priced at $9. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $4. Next up, we have a deal on the Dial Body Wash or the Bar Soap 8 count. These are priced at $4. We received a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $3. Or they also have smaller bottles of the Dial Body Wash that are priced at $3, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $2. Now this 1 off 1 digital coupon is also working for the Tone Body Wash, so those are priced at $3, and after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2. Alright, so next up we have kind of the DG brand for Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. It's the Studio Selection Moisture Luxury Shampoo or Conditioner. These are priced at $2.75. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1.75. And next up we have the Jergens Natural Glow Daily Tanning Lotion. These are priced at $6. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $4. And here we have a Kotex deal. So we have the You by Kotex Barely Their liners. These are priced at $3.25. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $6.50. We have a 2-off-2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $4.50 for 2. But also, check your Fetch Rewards account. You may have this 2,000 points back, which is the equivalent of $2. So if you pay the $4.50 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Fetch, you're going to get $2 back. Your final price will be $2.50 for 2, making those $1.25 each. So, if you're like me and you already used that 2,000 point bonus on the You by Kotex products last week from Fetch Rewards, this may have shown up on your account this week. So, I received 1,500 points on the You by Kotex products. So, if I were to go into the store and do this deal, I'll pay $4.50 out of pocket, submit my receipt to Fetch, I'll get $1.50 back. That'll make my final price $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. And again, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer. It is super easy, the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Now, just go download the app, give it a try. They're basically giving you $2 just to download it and try it out. So go and check it out and see if you like it. Alright guys, so we're going to move on into the instant savings deals that are going on this week. We still have the instant savings of $3 when you spend $10 on Colgate, Speed Stick, Irish Spring Soft Soap, Suavitel, Ajax, Fabuloso, and Palmolive. I think I got them all down, but we do have digital coupons for all of those, so that could turn out to be a really great deal. Alright guys, so this next instant savings deal pretty much runs all the time. So you instantly save $2 when you spend $8 on Kraft or Heinz condiments. And next up, we have an instant savings of $1 when you spend $6 on any Ziploc freezer or storage bags. Then, of course, we have the instant savings of $4 when you spend $20 on Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex products. Now, last week's video, I showed you guys a really awesome breakdown. We have digital coupons, we have insert coupons, and we have points back on Fetch Rewards. So definitely go back and check out that video if you missed it. Alright, so next up we have a new one here. We have instantly save $1 when you spend $4 on any Believe Beauty nail products that are normally priced $1 to $5. Alright guys, so coming up this week we have a 3-day only sale. So this is going to run from Thursday the 15th through Saturday the 17th. So on this first deal we have Fanta, Barks, or Mellow Yellow 2 liters. They're going to be on sale for 85 cents each when you buy 3. Next up, we have the Dasani 24 packs of bottled water. They're going to be on sale for $3.95. Next up, we have M&Ms that are normally 95 cents each, but they're going to be on sale. Buy 3, get 1 for free. So you'll pay $2.85 for 4, making those 71 cents each. Now, I did notice that a couple of these sales are already going on, and I'm pretty sure that this is one of them. Next up, we have the Clover Valley Single Serve Coffee 12 count. These are going to be on sale for $3.50. And then here's another one that's already on sale. You can do this deal any day of the week. We have the Chex Mix. They're on sale 2 for $2. We do have a 50-cent off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1.50 for 2. Now we also still have this 1 off 3 digital coupon and the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. Both of those are for Chex Mix, so if you have both of those digitals, that'll leave you paying $2.50 for 4 bags. So that's an awesome deal. So next up we have some instant savings on the green or red dot doormats. So these are normally $5 to $10, but you'll save $2 instantly at the register. And also during this 3-day sale, we will have the red dot water bottles. They're normally $3 to $8. They're going to be buy one, get one half off. And then we're also going to have a variety of the Studio Selection sunscreens. They are normally $5, but they're going to be on sale during the 3-day sale for $4. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and jump on into this glitch list. So we have a new glitch this week. This is on the Dial Body Wash Travel Size. These are priced at $1.50. That 1 off 1 digital coupon is glitching with this, making those just 50 cents. Alright, so next up we have the hefty cups that you can find in the dollar aisle. Pick up 2 of those for $2. This is working on the 12 count or the 18 count. Use the 1 off 2 digital coupon and that'll leave you paying $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. Now again, big shout out and thank you to Miss Deborah Williams-Buss, DWB. Make sure that you guys go and check out her YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to leave her channel linked down in the pinned comment below. Alright, so next up we have a glitch from last week. We have the Tide Simply Plus Oxy Liquid Laundry Detergent 75 ounce. These are priced at $6.95. We have a 3 off 1 Tide coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3.95. And next up we still have the Big Simply Soleil razors, 3 count. They're priced at $3.30. We still have that 3 off 1 digital coupon, so if you can find these, you'll pay just 30 cents. And then we also still have this glitch going on the Pantene Nutrients Travel Size Shampoos and Conditioners. If you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $6. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. And moving right along, we have the Cascade glitch. So if you can find the 4 count Cascade, these are priced at 90 cents. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll make it completely free, plus give you 10 cents in overage. And again, big thank you to DWB for sharing this deal. And if you can find 2 of the Cascade dishwasher packs 4 count, that's going to put you at $1.80. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll make it completely free, plus give you 20 cents in overage. And then here's an older glitch, but it is still working. So we have the Folgers Singles Coffee 7 count. These are priced at $1 each. Pick up 2, that's going to put you at $2. We have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. Then we also still have this 1 off 1 digital coupon, which is also working on the Folgers Single 7 count. So pick up 1 for $1, use the 1 off 1 digital coupon, and that'll make it completely free. Now I do want to say some accounts received $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Folgers, and that supposedly is still working. I'm not sure. I never received that one on my account. So if you still have that one, make sure you use it up before it expires. Alright guys, that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now stick around because I did go to Walgreens and pick up a few really good deals today. So I will have that video up as soon as possible, so stay tuned for that. Now before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way that you can help my channel out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, you all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.